and welcome back to my channel. So it's another video today, guys. And for today's videos, we're going to review a Shopee product. So meron ako nabiling item from Shopee. And this item, guys, is para siya pang paganda ng hair, papastyle ng hair. So this product is walang iba kundi the two-way hair dryer plus hair styling, guys. This one. Tinanggal ko lang siya sa box kasi ginamit ko na to kanina, guys, dahil excited na excited akong gamitin to. So para may share ko na sa inyo, guys, yung opinion ko about this product. So if you're interested to know more about this product, guys, and just keep on watching. Ito yung product, guys. Naka-box siya at meron siyang manual inside. So, parang siyang big na brush na pang typical suklay talaga, guys, na brush. Ito siya. This one. Ganyan siya kalaki. So, of course, guys, gagamitan to ng kuryente itong product na to. Kaya meron siyang plug. And yung plug niya is parang yung typical plug lang, guys. Ayan. And then, ito yung kanyang bristles niya. Parang talagang suklay. Tapos, merong mga something small na strands here. Ganyan. Aside from this na naka-pink, meron pa siyang mga small strands on the dito na part sa loob-looban talaga niya, guys. Tapos, meron siyang mga butas. Diyan naglalabas yung kanyang hot na air. Ito yung handle, guys. At dito rin nakalagay yung mode. Merong off, low, middle, and high. Tapos, wala siyang button or something na ipupush mo because you need to rotate lang this part here. Ayan. Narinig nyo? So, malalaman natin, guys, na merong power na yung product because nagka-color na yung dito niya. Kulay niya, guys, naka-blue. Tapos, we need to rotate this part here para ma-on siya. It depends on nyo kung anong mode gagamitin natin. Different mode niya, guys. Kanina, guys, kakaligo ko lang. Kaya tinry ko kaagad yung hair blower niya. Kung ilang minutes talaga ma-dry up yung ating hair kapag basa siya. So, ayan, hindi nabasa yung aking hair, guys. Kumulot na siya. Let's try na para makita natin if kaya ba niyang straighten up tong aking hair. So, susuklayin ko muna siya. Turn it on. So, ayan na, guys. Parang plinansya yung aking hair timing kasi meron kaming lakad. Pakita ko yung clip, guys, kung gaano talaga kakulot yung hair ko kapag nag-dry na siya. So, ayan. Ito na yung hair ko, guys, after gamitin yung product, guys. Super nakakapag-straight talaga siya ng hair. And super para ako nagpa-plansya. Before ka gumamit ito, guys, mas maganda kapag gumamit ka ng conditioner or keratin during naliligo ka. Kasi parang mas smooth yung hair mo. Tapos, yung hindi ko lang nagustuhan kasi super mainit talaga siya sa face, guys. Kasi grabe yung init na binubugan niya. That's why, ayan, grabe na ako kasingot kasi hindi ko tinaturn on yung aircon kasi maingay siya. So, ayan na siya. Super. Parang nakapag-plansya talaga. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next one. Goodbye, everyone! Mwah!
Make a cup of coffee for your head.